Here in exercises 10.1 question is name the following halides according to IUPAC system and classify them as alkyl, allyl, benzyl, primary, secondary, tertiary, vinyl or aryl halides. So here in the first part we are taking only 4 compounds. So first one is to write the structure carefully. We have to write the expanded form first so that it is more clear. So if it is CH3 twice, that means both the methyl group are attached to one carbon, and this is the one second methyl group. And after that, this is further attached to hydrogen only. And next is again CH group, and this CH group is attached to halogen, chlorine, and then again it is attached to CH3. So this is the compound. Now in expanded form, actually it is more clear and we can name it properly. So first rule is select the longest carbon chain, and that should be the parent compound. And after that you have to number it in such a way so that the carbon containing halogen should get the least number. So here the numbering should start from here 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is 3 and this one is 4. So accordingly we can name it as 2-chloro. 2-chloro, 2-methyl. It should be 3-methyl. 3-methyl. Third carbon is attached to methyl group, which is not included in the longest chain. And then 4 carbon atom longest chain is butane. So you are writing butane is the parent compound. So this is the name, and this should be it is secondary carbon is containing halogen, so it should be secondary alkyl halide. Now come to second one. Second compound is, again we are writing the expanded structure first, CH3, CH2, then CH. Looking at the structure which is given, CH, then it is attached to CH3, and then again it is attached to one more CH, and this is further attached to C2H5. C2H5 we can write as CH2, CH3, so that we can count the number in the longest chain. And after that we can write here, it should be chlorine. Then when you are numbering it, you will start the longest chain should be this one. This is the longest chain, and in the longest chain numbering should be such so that the carbon containing halogen should get the least number. So again we are selecting as this is 1 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So hexane is the parent compound, and accordingly we can give the name. So here the name should be 3-chloro, 3-chloro, 4-methyl, 4-methyl-hexane. So position of the methyl group we have to mention because it is not included in the longest chain. So this is the name, and here we have to see the halogen. Here halogen is attached to secondary carbon atom. That is why it is again secondary alkyl halide. Now come to third one. Third compound is CH3. Again look at the compound which is given to you and write the structure. CH3, CH2, and then one carbon which is attached to one methyl group, and second 2 methyl groups are attached to it, and after that one CH2 should be here, and then iodide group. So here when numbering it, again we have to take care one thing, that the carbon which is containing halogen should get least number. So longest chain we have to select first. This cannot be this one, and it should be this only. So butane is the longest chain. So numbering is 1, 2, this should be 3, and this is 4. And accordingly we can give the name. It is 1-iodo. 1-iodo, 2,2-dimethyl. 2,2-dimethyl. Methyl, and then butane. Now here look at the iodide group which is attached to primary carbon, and that is why it is primary alkyl halide. And now come to the last one, fourth one. This fourth one is here. Here again you are looking at the structure which is given and making the expanded form of it. So all 3 methyl groups are attached to only one carbon atom. So this should be the structure, and after that it is attached to CH2 group, and then again CH group, and at this CH group one bromine must be present, which is given in the bracket, and then C6H5. So this is phenyl group. You can write phenyl group like this also, or it is C6H5. In both the case it is phenyl group, and after that you have to number it. So numbering should be again, this carbon should get the first number 1, 2, 3, and 4. So butane is the parent compound. Naming should be 1-bromo. 1-bromo. Then it is 3,3-dimethyl. 3,3-dimethyl. And then at first carbon atom one more group, very important, phenyl group we should not miss. Phenyl, 1-phenyl, and then you can say the parent compound is butane. So you are writing butane. ANE, that is such as the hydrocarbon. Now look at this Br position. Br is at this carbon atom, which is actually benzyl. C6H5CH2 group is benzyl group, and this is secondary. So we can write here it is secondary benzyl halide.